give you my heart. Hello guys, hello YouTube, hello lovely ladies, hello lovely men. You're welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I'm not talking about anything literally. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of blackheads permanently, and this process needs you to get your the egg white, so you could make face masks with it and your tissue. So let's get right into this video. But before we get started, why not just subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification beside it so you'll always be notified anytime I drop new videos. Lovelies, before I can even think of applying anything on my face, we need to wash this face, okay? Go get your soap and water, wash your face thoroughly, clean it with your towel, then get your egg and your tissue. I'm done with washing my face. I'm wiping my face with my towel. Let's get right into our face mask. So guys, here is my egg. I'm about to remove the egg whites from this egg, separating it from the yolk. Here is my fork for stirring and my tissue. That tissue serves as a mask. Yes, it serves as a mask. When I'm done filtering the egg white from the yolk, I'm to stir it properly. You need to stir this portion properly. Stir it to get the lather from it. Yes, you can see the lather coming out. I stirred it properly. Yes. I'm done with the mixture. Not like I really mixed anything. I'm done with stirring my egg white. So I want to take it to my face now. So I've gotten, I know you guys can't see it, but trust me, it's my egg white. This is my makeup foam. It's coming in handy to apply the egg white on my face. As you can see, it's useful and soft. If you're fast enough to notice, this egg white is literally drying off quickly, so I had to get it again to apply on my face. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this? This is so satisfying, but it hurts. Oh my god. what it looks like. That's what the tissue looks like when it's fully dried. I allowed it for 30 minutes to dry properly. Can you see? It looks like I applied starch on my face. And after I was done taking those tissue pads from my face, I just went ahead, took my towel, wetted it, like I took water and poured in it, made it wet. Then I was just like trying to remove the tissue, some parts of those tissue I couldn't remove from my face. As you can see, my face is as smooth as, oh my god, my face is so smooth. I'll just take a towel, wet it, then clean your face to see the results very clearly. This is so beautiful. Look at that. I am done. So you could always do this. It will remove blackheads, trust me, permanently from your face. My lovely audience, as you can see, this whole thing is so perfect. It's so perfect. So I advise you just give me comments on how it went for you. Give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.